Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Sweatcoin and granting the app the permissions it needs to count steps. Open the App Store, download Sweatcoin, then allow location and motion access. This lets the app read your step data. Once done, sign up using email or your Apple ID and verify the code so your account stores earnings. Make sure background app refresh is on and that you understand the app uses GPS and motion sensors to convert outdoor steps into currency. Now you will configure tracking so Sweatcoin converts steps into balance reliably. Open Sweatcoin settings and select outdoor tracking for best accuracy. Indoor treadmill steps may not convert the same. Connect to Apple Health by allowing Sweatcoin to read steps. This sync smooths counts and prevents duplicates. Once connected, walk naturally. The app converts qualifying outdoor steps into Sweatcoins and updates your wallet. If you walk with phone in pocket, your steps register more consistently. To finish, use your Sweatcoins in the marketplace. Browse offers, tap redeem, and confirm with your balance. Keep the app updated and avoid aggressive battery-saving modes that stop the background step counter. This ensures continuous earning. If you ever see missing steps, first check location, motion, and health permissions, then force close and reopen Sweatcoin. If still failing, toggle health sync or restart the iPhone. That quick troubleshooting fixes most issues and gets your daily earnings back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.